Intelligence is the ability to learn for experience, to recognize problems, and to solve problems.
Good morning, everybody. I, Sanjay Sharma, presenting my topic Introduction to AI. According to the Stebbers, intelligent is the capacity to learn for experience using metacognitive processes to enhance learning and the ability to adapt to the surrounding environment. Artificial intelligence AI. AI is the branch of computer science that simulate human intelligence into machines, especially in computer system, so that they can think and perform actions similar to humans. The main aim of AI to develop machines with intelligence like human and having qualities like perceptions to information and rule for using the information. AI has already become an internal part of your daily life. Therefore, it's important to understand what AI can actually do. In fact, AI is both term which includes machines learning, big data or natural language processing (NLP) as its subset. These subsets can also be classified by levels of intelligence. AI can be classified into three types: weak AI, super AI, and strong AI. Weak AI. It is also known as narrow AI. It is the most common of AI that we can see and use all around us. Characteristics of this AI are: narrow AI performs dedicated tasks with intelligence. It cannot perform beyond its capacities. It trained to perform a specific task. It fails in unpredictable situations. Apple series is a good example of weak AI system. It is the digital virtual assistant that operates with the predefined limits range of operations. Even IBM's Watson's supercomputer comes under the category of weak AI. It is an expert system combining machine learning and natural language processing. Some other language include self-driving cars, image processing, e-commerce websites using chatbots, AI system playing chess, etc. Strong AI. It is also termed as general AI. Machines with the following characteristics will fall in this category. Machines that would perform a wide range or different tasks with the intelligence like that of a human. It is a step ahead of weak AI by including problem solving, learning, and developing. At present, we had not developed as such machines. Worldwide research in now on developing machines with strong AI. As these systems are in these research stage, it may be take a long time of period and effort to develop these. As example of strong AI would be a machine hearing good morning and denying to turn on the coffee maker. Now next, super AI. Super hypothetical stage. Following are the characteristics of super AI. System that would surpass the human intelligence in performing any task will fall in the category of super AI. Super AI will be able to learn humans and will be able to evoke their or emotion and decides as well. It can be considered as the next stage of strong AI and developing such machines will challenging task. How do machines become intelligent? Artificial intelligence makes the machines intelligent, processing along with the same aspects of human intelligence like decision making and problem solving given rise to intelligence machines. Machines are fed with enough data and character machines them intelligent. World famous AI machines. Sophia the humanoid robot. It is designed by a Hong Kong based company
Handsome Robotics in Feb 2016 and has made her first public appearance in March 2016 in USA.
Honda Amiso. It is the humanoid robot created by Honda in 2020. Boston Dynamics AI robots. These are four-legged robot designed by Boston Dynamic for commercial applications. Google's driverless car. Google launched in Waymo divisions to design, manufacture and market driverless vehicles around the world. These cars are AI enabled cars.